If you're going out of town, there are a few things that you must do to protect your pool while you're away. Otherwise, you could come back home to an algae infestation or even a burned out pump. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to prep your pool before you go on vacation. Let's dive in. Real quick, if you want more help taking care of your pool, be sure to grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. It's totally free and will help keep your pool clean and clear all season long. Number 1, check your water level. Make sure your water level is a little above normal to help offset evaporation when you're away. If your water dips below your skimmer while your pump is running, your system could overheat. Number 2, remove debris from the water. Make sure you skim any debris out of your water before you leave. Anything left to decompose in your pool can contribute to cloudy or green water. And consider running your filter system all day before you leave town to help pick up smaller contaminants. And if you haven't backwashed or cleaned your filter in a while, now would be a good time. Number 3, remove anything from your skimmer. You don't want anything blocking the flow of water while you're gone. So remove any debris, skimmer socks, or pantyhose from the skimmer. And empty your pump baskets too. If you're gone for more than a week, ask a neighbor to empty the skimmer basket periodically. Number 4, test and balance your water. Make sure your pH, alkalinity, and free chlorine are within range. Your pH can be on the lower side since you'll be adding chlorine shock in the next step, and that can elevate your pH level. Number 5, shock your pool. Depending on how long you'll be away, add a single or double dose of chlorine shock to your water. This will help prevent algae and contaminants from building up while you're away. Just be sure to let the filter run for a few hours after you've added it. And if you've used an unstabilized shock like Cal Hypo, you'll want to add it at night. If you need more help knowing what shock to add to your water, be sure to check out our other videos. Number 6, add extra chlorine tablets. Add several chlorine pucks to your floating dispenser or chlorinator to help keep your water continuously sanitized while you're away. If you usually add tablets directly to your skimmer, that can be risky if your pump shuts off when you're out of town. So consider using a floater or investing in a chlorinator. Number 7, keep your pump and filter running. Ideally, you'll want to run your filter 24 hours a day to keep everything circulating and sanitized. But you'll want to run your filter at least 8 hours daily while you're gone. So make sure you've set up your automatic timer and turn off other components like your heater. Number 8, remove solar blankets and install your safety cover. Set up your automatic cover or safety cover while you're away to keep your pool water protected. And be sure to lock and secure any gates or security devices around your pool perimeter. After you get back from vacation, be sure to retest your water and adjust your alkalinity, pH, and chlorine if necessary. If your water is over-chlorinated, wait to swim until your chlorine levels have returned to normal. If your pool isn't over-chlorinated, shock your pool to kill any contaminants that might have built up while you were away. And refill your chlorine supply in your chlorinator or floater. Finally, if for some reason you come back to a big algae infestation, be sure to check out our other video on getting rid of green water. And that's it. If you need more help with pool maintenance, be sure to grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. And if you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more pool maintenance tutorials throughout the season. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.